Hello everyone, we are on the Binomo trading platform. Today, we are going to make money with this broker. We will be trading based on support and resistance levels with an expiration time of 5 minutes. And the investment amount for each trade is $15. I think that's quite enough. Let's take a look at what's happening on the charts. Let's switch to a higher time frame so we can better understand what's happening here, because right now it's not entirely clear. Dollar, Swiss franc, I'm going to open a trade for a decrease. For approximately 5 minutes, we have a resistance zone right here. The price has reached this zone, previously broke through it, and now has come back to consolidate. I expect the price to go lower. Swiss franc yen will open a trade for an increase. At the moment, there's a local minimum, and there's a high probability that the price will reverse from this zone, so we might be able to make some profit here. Let's take a closer look at the situation and see what's happening with other assets. This could give us additional insights and help us make more informed decisions as we move forward. Here, it's probably possible to open a trade for an increase. We have a support zone. The price has already reversed from this zone several times. Previously, this zone was a resistance zone. Now the price has come down from above, and I'm opening a trade for a reversal from this zone. New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar, you can try to open a trade for an increase. Wait, did I calculate the trade incorrectly? Well, of course. It already closed, actually. Alright, let's go back to the New Zealand dollar or Canadian dollar pair, and let's analyze this trade. We have a support and resistance zone. You can clearly see that earlier the price actually bounced off this important zone and then reversed direction. So I expect that this time everything will also turn in the direction that I need it to go. Alright, now let's take a look at something else together. Meanwhile, the Australian dollar, Canadian dollar has dropped. We'll also open a trade for an increase. We have a good support zone. The price reached this zone with an impulse. I'm counting on a reversal. So we have 5 trades open. Let's see what's happening now. The USD CHF is falling steadily. Everything is good. The Swiss franc yen is growing well. We entered at the very bottom. Everything is great here too. The New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar is currently in the red. The price keeps falling. Basically, I could open an additional trade. The only thing is, once again, I didn't open it the way I should have. Something's not working out for me with the Binomo chart. During expiration, it keeps shifting, so you have to keep an eye on it, and I keep forgetting. As a result, I ended up opening a whole bunch of trades that will close at different times. Well, I honestly hope that some of them will actually bring me financial gain, so it's not really a big problem. So things are going pretty well here too, and overall, the situation is looking positive for us at the moment. Yes, the price is steadily moving up for us, and everything is good. So our main problem is the New Zealand dollar to Canadian dollar pair, mainly because I opened too many trades here, which has made things a bit complicated. In the meantime, our USD/CHF trade will be closing in about 8 seconds, and so will the GBP/JPY trade. Everything is good here too. Both trades are closing in profit. So, as for the other trades, it's still unclear for now. These 2 trades are in profit, but the price needs to rise to reach the upper trade. It would be good to close that one too. Let's see, there's still time, maybe the price will even go up further. At least, that's what I'm counting on. So, it turns out that everything is going pretty well so far, with only 1 trade in the red. And of course, I did close 1 trade very poorly. I set the wrong expiration time, or rather, the wrong expiration time was set for me, I didn't keep an eye on it, and as a result, the trade closed at a loss. The AUD-CAD pair is still standing still, the price isn't really moving anywhere, so it might end up being a losing trade, but we'll see. Yes, we've got a pullback starting here, which is bad. So, most likely, the price won't have time to reach the upper trade, and the upper trade will probably close at a loss. A drop has started as well, so it's possible the second trade will also close at a loss. Well, in general, we'll just have to watch and see how it all turns out. Yeah, it's just a little bit short for the trade to close in the upper profit zone. Unfortunately, 1 trade closed in profit and 2 trades closed at a loss. And now it's unclear how the remaining 2 trades will close. So far that's all, I can't say things are going well. Here, the price dropped down and there's half a minute left. The price might just not have time to come back, which is most likely what will happen. Yeah, this trade is definitely closing at a loss, and the New Zealand dollar to Canadian dollar pair has started to rise. The last minute has started, and there's a chance this trade will close in profit. Yes, this trade will close in profit, but overall, I still ended up with a loss for this trading session because I opened 2 extra trades that I shouldn't have opened. Otherwise, the result would have been a bit different. Well, I paid for my lack of attention, so always make sure to check where you're opening trades, for how long, and for what amount. This can be very important. That's all from me. Thank you all very much for watching this video. Good luck to everyone in trading. Goodbye, everyone.